That's Sam. Ah! He ran right into the camera. Where are you going? Where are you going, Sam? Where are you going? Oh. Come over here, buddy. Here, I'll put you right here so you can go out. Here, you can go out that way. Ah. Here, go. I'll go put you in the hallway. Here you go, Sam. Come on, Sam, over here. Oh, wow. It's hard to keep track of him. And that's Shyla down the hallway. Have fun, Sam. Hope you enjoy your fun.